Hello, hello. This is Betty Sakosha. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Massachusetts and in the United States. And I am here live opening my brand new paper pumpkin. It's a brand new one. You can't get it if you didn't previously order it. So it's kind of a tease and maybe evil of me to be doing this. But I literally just got it in and the box is so pretty. And I took a peek in the box and I was like, I definitely want to share this. So I'm going to flip my camera down so you will get to see it live. And if it's something quick that I can make, I'd love to share it. So let's get, whoopsies. Okay, look at that box. I know, right? You had me at the box. Okay. Here we go. So here is the box. It comes monthly, or you can get it monthly, or you can get it 1 month at a time. You can try it out for a month. But basically, it's an all-inclusive Stampin' Up! Kit that you can get. The first time you get it, you get a block with it. It's not quite as fancy as this block here, but once you have the block, you don't continue to get that every month, but you can purchase more blocks if you would like, and you always have your block from the first set. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's a little note for some other advertising for brand new stamp set and dies. That's very nice. But look at this. Oh, so it gives you some information if you want to get some add-ons. I probably should have read this before I went live. But anyway, don't worry about this yet because I just want to show you really what's in this box. Okay, so you get a stamp set every month. Look at this baby. There is a, can you see this? Here, let me see if I can zoom. Let me see. Hey, Missy. I hope you got yours. Patty Quinn got hers today. Great. Okay, so look at what's here. There's the cup. You know, the Campin' cup. I love those. They're metal and they burn your hands. And yet, something about it is nostalgic and I love it. And one hiking boot, love it, and a little compass. And the words that say, cheers to another adventure, happy birthday. Life is meant for good friends and great adventure. Oh, it so is. It doesn't matter where you're going. It's who you have beside you. Oh my gosh, I love this set. This really is a tease because if you don't have it, you're really sad now. Okay, so the new color that comes with this is called Copper Clay. This is a tiny little ink pad. It's an inch by an inch by an inch, or 1 inch square. And I usually slice the side of it. Okay, let's see what else is in here before I deal with that. Look at this. I'm even excited because it has boho blue tissue paper. This is a new color by Stampin' Up! And I love it. And look at how pretty the tissue paper is. But that's not really the best part of this, right? Let's get in here. Let's get into it. But I'm not going to tear this paper because I really like it and I want to use it again someday. Okay, so inside the kit will be lots of goodies. Oh, here's your directions on one side. You can also watch a quick video, and they will show you how you do this. It depends if you're kind of a rule follower or not. Here are the 3 different cards that we can make. I love them. Oh my goodness, I really am so happy I got this. Okay, and then the way that the directions come are they give you pictures. Because they know that stampers, we don't read directions anyway. So there's pictures on how to make this, and down the side is a ruler if you need it for cutting some stuff. All right, let's see. Let's get after it, see what's in here. All right, ripping it open. Okay. Oh, I hope you didn't see that. I'm going to hide that. So fun. Okay. There's dimensionals, linen thread, beautiful envelopes. Oh my goodness. Envelopes with buffaloes, envelopes with mountains, envelopes with fields and paths to explore. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is the whole card opened up, but this is what the card would look like. And it's so good. It's got a backside. Oh my goodness. I am in love. I am in love with this set. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I am in love with these. Then we got some labels. These will be fun. Oh my goodness. Don't you just want that as a picture on your wall? But it's got a big score line through it, so we're not going to do that. Okay. So let me see. Oh, let me show you what else is here. Oh, yikes. This is good. Okay, so here are some more labels, and this is a new color called Moody Mauve. Moody Mauve. The people from Europe and Australia and New Zealand are calling this color mauve. Here in Massachusetts, we call it mauve. But mauve sounds a little bit classier. Anyway, so there is a bunch of labels with this. There's some binoculars, some compasses, but some glue dots. So glue dots come with this because this would be the adhesive you could use. But if you have other adhesive that you prefer, you can always use that. I save a lot of these and just use adhesive that I already have my hands on because glue dots are not my favorite. But check this out. Oh my goodness, I love these. So I'm assuming that these are to put on whatever you want to put them on, like your computer or your water bottle or your car. I don't know. I love this. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know that was coming in here. I am so happy. Okay, so let me see if I can do a super quick card here. I'm not going to do all of them because my goal here was just to make sure that I could go live and that it would work out well, because on Saturday I am collaborating with a few other demonstrators and we are going live, and I just wanted to make sure that it would work, and I think it will. So I hope you can come back on Saturday. Saturday at noon, East Coast time, I will be here. So I'm going to do this card here, and I'm going to try my best not to read the directions. I could if I wanted to, but it's this card here with the canoe. So they come pre-scored, so I'm just going to fold it in half like so. And it looks like I'm going to need this label. All right, I'll just show you there really are directions, but, you know, they're for the non-adventurous. Oh, it shows you exactly what you need to do. Here's the important part. 20 inches. Can you read that? 20 inches of linen thread. Okay, so I'm going to pull out my first stamp. That's the one I'm going to... Life is meant for great adventures. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use this stamp set over and over and over again. I am in love. Now, one little tip I will give you is that many photopolymer stamps... do best. I find they do best if you actually clean them off first. So believe it or not, this is clean. This is my chamois, and it's clean, believe it or not. But if you clean them off, there's a little bit of residue on them. So this helps them to just have a better image stamped. Okay, so copper clay. Said I was going to open this. Now I got to open it. Stay tuned. I will get it. I think I will get it. I know, right, Missy? Stickers. Who knew? Oh, there we go. La. Okay, so that is the tiny little ink pad that you get with it. And what's nice about this is that it will do everything that you need for that kit, but then you've got your little bonus ink pad here. And if you really love the color, you can go ahead and order yourself a big one. So this is the way that we ink up these stamps. Let me see if I can zoom in just a smidge here to show you. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so you ink it up kind of upside down, right? Normally you would bring your stamp to your ink, but because your ink pad is teeny and cute, I'm going to ink it up this way. I always like to try it out on my scrap paper to make sure I'm happy with it, and I'd say I'm happy with that. So I'm going to bring in my label. Actually, I'm going to stamp it right on here. I think it's easier to stamp if it's on the held together by the paper, rather than taking my you can take your tag right out and then stamp it on there. But I think it's a little bit easier to do this. Here we go. Hopefully it's straight. Straight. Yes! Beautiful. Okay, so let me pop that out. Now, here's another tip about this. Oh, I don't even think I need to right now. But sometimes there's like these little nubby edges here. If you use, hang on, I kind of forgot I needed it. Let me grab this over here. If you've got like a nail file, you can just kind of brush on the side of that. And that way, if there were any little nubbies, they will be all gone. All right, now my pile of mauve. I'm going to just pop this out here. Like so, and do the same thing here. Can you see that little tiny nubby there? You can get rid of that just by using your, like a nail brush. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I was told by the directions, I don't know what it said, 20 inches or so. Let me see what my final picture should look like. I think I just need to wrap it around. Yeah, I'll just wrap it around. All right, so I'm just going to take my linen thread and wrap it around a few times. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put adhesive on the back because I find it much easier to wrap things around if something is secure back there. So that's why I like to put my adhesive on the back like so. All right, let me unzoom you. Okay. And come around the front here, tie a bow, or at least a knot. I find bows a little overrated sometimes. Depends on the day. Some days it's easier, some days it's not. Let's see. Okay. See how loose this is? Because my bow is kind of not good. That's when I just take the back, tighten it up, like so. Mush it on the back. So the front looks tight. Stretch it out if need be. This card is very natural, so it doesn't matter if it's perfect. Right? I'm going to call that good. And I'll just give these a little trim. In the olden days, Stampin' Up! had ribbon scissors. And I still have them, but they're not close, so I'm not going to bother with it. So I'll just use the paper snips there. There we go. I've stretched it out there. It's fine. I'm going to go with it's fine. If I need to alter it, I will, but I don't think so. Yeah, it's going to be great. Okay, so I'm going to put this on with adhesive. Again, this comes with the dots. You could use the glue dots if you so chose. I chose not. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this. It's so simple and so beautiful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do on the back to hold this, because remember, I didn't do a great job of tying it, so it's a little bit loose. Just going to take my dimensionals, and they will help me to secure that on there. Like so. Pop these off. And pop this on. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this stamp set. Ah! Oh, it's so pretty. So why not? Let's put boots or cup. I'm in love with coffee cup, so I think I'm going to go with that. So we're going to put that on the inside. So let me take my coffee cup. Let me find my stamp. Get my chamois. Clean it off. So you have one block with your, oh my goodness, I shouldn't have done that. I totally lost my coffee cup. Whew, there it is, across the room. Okay, there's my coffee cup. Let me get my tiny little copper clay. Oh, I didn't clean my stamp. Looks pretty good, but this, like I said, sometimes the photopolymer has a little residue on it, so it's a good idea to clean it first. So now that I've done that, I actually have one of these in my camping set, and it's blue. I'm going to have to get the right color blue to go with this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. I love it. And then that would match with, I guess it could match with any, but I'm thinking it would probably match with this envelope right here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with the rest of these. All right, look at that. Easy peasy. Card done. So this stamp set comes with, or this kit comes with the supplies to make 9 cards. And the stamp set that I will keep forever. Thanks to that coffee cup. All right, let me flip you down and just chat with you super quick. There we go. Oh, that was exciting. Okay, so if you want to get yourself a paper pumpkin, they come out monthly from Stampin' Up, and they're different every month. Some months they're kind of packaging ideas. Some months they're kind of seasonal type things. I guess this would be seasonal. It's kind of the season of camping coming up. So if there's... if you want to get yourself a paper pumpkin, you can go to my website, bettyboop.stampinup.net, and under kits, you can find paper pumpkin. You can get a prescription. Isn't that nice? You can get a prescription for crafting. You can get a subscription for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, and you can put a hold on it during that time. You know, if you've got stuff going on and you think, I don't want this kit that's coming out, we usually get a little bit of a preview. I knew it was going to be good. I didn't know it was going to be this good. I didn't know it was going to contain a coffee cup, but thrilled. And stickers. Did I mention stickers? In any case, if you are interested in getting that, you can find that at my website, bettyboop.stampinup.com, and you need to place your order for that prior to the 10th of the month. So, like I said, this one came from this month. Next month is June, so before June 10th, you would have to place the order for that, and then everything gets shipped at once. You can get 1 month, 3 months, or 6, or a year. You can get a year if you want. In any case, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. You can contact me via my website or leave me a comment here. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.